Do you know the big difference between applying a transition to an adjustment layer versus applying it to two clips? When you're adding a transition to two clips, the end point of the first clip and the start point of the second depend on the length of your transition. That's why a transition can blend clips so smoothly. But when you're adding a transition to an adjustment layer, the only footage that transition can work with is sitting below the adjustment layer. Because an adjustment layer is a container that represents all video layers below. Here you can see what happens when you apply our push transition to an adjustment layer. As you can see, the transition repeats the footage on the other side because that's what's sitting below the adjustment layer. So why even use transitions on adjustment layers? Adjustment layers are a great way to overlay effects on top of your footage. You can also use it to apply a dissolve to the end of your video. This will fade out all items below the adjustment layer simultaneously. So if you're transitioning from one scene to the other, use native transitions. But if you want to add effects on top of your footage, go with adjustment layers. Like and follow Film Impact for more editing tips.